What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this quick and easy protective hairstyle for natural hair. So I'm starting this hairstyle on dry hair, and as you can see the hair looks a little bit crazy, but we're going to fix that in a bit. Here are some of the tools that I use to achieve my desired hairstyle. So the first step is just dividing my hair into working parts. I do realize that I ended up parting my hair with my hands instead of combs, but that's just because I wasn't going for perfect parts. But if you are really looking for perfect parts, then definitely use combs. To get some extra length on my braids, I added some braiding. To moisturize my hair, I used the Yikes Curlala Custard. I really like to make sure that my hair is well prepped for braids, because the whole point of protective hairstyle is to let your hair grow in peace, and for your hair to grow it needs to retain length, and moisture helps in that. To slick the ends of my hair, I was using the Yikes flaxseed gel. If you'd like a tutorial on how to cornrow your own hair for growth, then be sure to leave down a comment in the section down below. Before this hairstyle, I made sure to prep the braiding hair that I'm using by washing it using a leave-in conditioner and a moisturizing lotion, so that the hair does not dry out my own hair. After I was done braiding the crown of my hair, I moisturized the rest of my hair and then tied up everything in a low bun. To deal with frizz, I added the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Mousse to deal with frizz and unruly hair. Then for edges, I used the Darks gel. In the beginning it does look insane, but trust the process. All the excess gel will be absorbed by my head scarf. While my hair was setting, I went on and added some beads. After my hair was set, I removed the hair scarf that I was using, fluffed my little pony bun tail thing, bringing us to the end of this video. It only took me about 30 minutes to achieve this look, so if you're looking for a quick protective hairstyle, then this is definitely for you. It's perfect for school, work, and even events.